Hi, it's Paula from Coastline Career Center, and in this video, I'll be showing you a strategy to try to get like an IT level position if you're like an IT or cyber student. Because right now, as you know, is struggle to find these types of positions. So here's kind of like an angle that you could do. So I'm gonna go to Google Maps, and one thing you could do is literally search for IT companies. Search for that on Google Maps, and it'll list out some of the IT companies in the area. And typically, what I would do is try to identify the ones with pretty good reviews. So, for example, it looks like Tech MD is one of them, right? So I would go there, and typically it'll link out their website. So click their website, click here, and there's typically like a contact us button in most of these companies. So I'm gonna try to find it. In this case, it's right here, contact information, and there's even a join our team. So sometimes you could apply directly on these websites rather than going to Indeed and hearing nothing back. So I'm going to click on general inquiries. Let's see if we could find an email address. There you go. So I found one right there, right? Info at TechMD. So what I would recommend is, in addition to applying for all the Indeed stuff, is reaching out to these companies directly. And what you could do, for example, is, many of you use ChatGPT or AI. You could draft up a short email, for example, saying, help me draft a short email to IT companies to get experience, whether that's entry level, internships, volunteer. I'm a student at Coastline. Again, don't rely on this for everything. However, it's a really good start to kind of create a short little message, and also attach your resume. This is a really good way to reach out to different companies. And if you think about it, right, that's just one. That's just one. And if you click in deeper, there's a lot more here that you could find. So hopefully that helps. So in addition to applying on Indeed and applying to different places, this is another approach that kind of attacks it from a different angle to open up those opportunities for you. So again, I'm Paulo Varquez. I work at our career center. So definitely take the time to meet with me so we could strategize and help you find that position. Talk to you soon.